Today, got something a little bit different that honestly I didn't even know existed. So, to me this is a file. Flat file, wood handle. Been using them for decades. Round on the other side, variety, some for chainsaws, some whatever. But this is pretty standard for a file and a file handle. Now, I'm a product tester for Lowe's. They sent me this. I honestly didn't even know this existed. So, again, what we have here is a flat file. But we also have a knurled handle on the end of a very comfortable, very beefy file handle here. And if you twist this handle, it is essentially just a little vice grip there, clamps down, whatever you want to call it, clamp. Put the tang of the file. Doesn't matter whether it's small or large. You can reuse this handle for many different files. Literally just slides in, butt it in, then you start twisting this end here. Which clamps down the front, and it's in there solid. Comfortable. This thing is amazing. So now my little wooden handles are all going to get pulled off. They're all going to get thrown away. And this one handle, no matter what file I need to use, is just going to get moved around. And yes, I have some wood handles that are on a little bit better than that one was, but this thing now is extremely solid. It's on there, it's comfortable, amazing grip, and when I'm ready to change, just swap it out and it's done. So check it out. I guess it just kind of blew my mind a little bit. It's so simple. And I had no idea that it even existed till they sent it to me. So I'm very happy with it. I'll be using it all the time. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Go get you one.